Hi, my name is Mike, and on this channel I'm showing you how much you can achieve by investing $100 per week.
No way!
Real money, real numbers, my real journey. Let's go! This video is going to be quite exciting for me because I'm going to be buying my first ETFs. Which ETFs and why I have chosen you can check in my previous video. No, here, right there. If you are new to the investment world and would like to learn some basics, I also have a video for you. Check it out somewhere here. I will also put the link in the description below. But for now, let's get to the business. Okay, I have logged into my Questrade investment account. You can find how to create an investment account and enable automatic contributions in one of my previous videos. I did that approximately a month ago, so over these 4 weeks I have contributed $400. And here is the account balance, you can see it right here. The first ETF I'm gonna invest in is HXS, which tracks S&P 500 index. It is down almost 1% today, and for 5 days it is down over 3%. So today is a really good day to start investing. When everything is down, you buy cheap, you expect better growth afterwards. If we check other ETFs I have chosen, the second one is the growth one, ZNQ. It is also significantly down. For the last 5 days it was minus 4.45%. And the third ETF that I have chosen is the dividend one, VDY. As you can see, it's only down 0.11%. In general, I want to evenly distribute my contributions among those 3 ETFs, but it's quite hard to do because of the different share price. 1/3 of $400 and $133.33. But it's quite hard to fill up that amount with a share price that is $80. I'm gonna try to keep them equally distributed in the long run, but today I'm gonna go more on growth ETFs and S&P 500, just because they are down the most. So I'll be buying 2 shares of ZNQ and 2 shares of HXS. So enough talking, let's get to the business. Go there and click buy, market order, and here you enter share quantity. 2 of those we want to buy. And you hit place order. That's it. The order for buying 2 shares of HXS has been sent. Now ZNQ. Same thing, buy, market order. And actually I want to try this dollar amount. What if I put $130 here? What's gonna happen? No, it will still buy some exact amount of shares with the money that you're giving it. So even if I put $130, it's gonna buy 1 share for $80.89. Oh, wait, I wanted to buy 2 of those. Okay, I'm gonna go and buy another one. Alright, how are we doing so far? Here we go, there are 2 positions here in my portfolio already. 2 shares of XHS and 2 shares of ZNQ.
So far, so good.
And now what's left is to buy VDY. Actually, it would be great if I could see how much money is available in my account. Oh, here it is, 87.9. So I can buy 2. No, I cannot buy 2. I only can buy 1 share. Alright, let's do it. Place order. And done. Let's check the portfolio. There it is. I have 3 positions. 1 share of VDY, 2 shares of HXS and 2 shares of ZNQ. The latter 2 already down a little bit for today. It looks like the market keeps going down, but I'm not worried about that because I'm here for the long run. That's it for today, guys. That was short and effective.
Yeah! Congratulations!
If you like this video, you know what to do, hit the like button. And if you want to follow me on my investment journey, investing $100 per week, hit the subscribe button.
You got it, boss.
I'm starting small, staying calm, and watching my money grow. See you in the next one.